Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kelly. If you're new to the channel, do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our important content. Remember, at Onosta Media, we create videos to teach you and help you maximize the benefits and the potentials of our software solutions, as well as other business automation processes, which includes hotel management, hospital management, laboratories, and different type of software solutions, including accounting and asset. We also develop softwares. We also help people who are involved in development, give them a roadmap on the software development. Alright, today we shall be diving into sales. Let's look at the sales menu. We've looked at admin and the inventory menu on DorthPro. DorthPro, for those that are new to the channel, DorthPro is one of our flagship products. It's a sales and inventory management system for managing business operations. Right, so let's look at sales. What does the sales menu entail? There are four basic sub menus under the sales menu. We have the retail sales, sales return, reference receipt, and the wholesale. Right, we shall be looking at it in this video. Let's start by retail sales. What do we mean by retail sales? So you want to start a new sale. If you only do retail, or you want to do a retail sale, you just click on retail sales, or you see this pencil sign icon on the top here on the notification close to the notification icons. Just click on it. It gives you the same thing. So whenever I click on it, you notice there's a change in the invoice number. So the system automatically generates a unique invoice number for every transaction that you do. So I click on retail sales, come here, then you can impute the name of the item. You can type only the first three letters, type in the full name of the item, as the case may be, or you can insert your barcode machine and scan the barcode created if you added the barcode to the item when you were creating this item. Right, so let's say we are selling or whatever items you're selling. Let's say this is a pharmacy. Create it here. It shows you the current and the price. If there's no price, it won't go. So I click on it. By default, you see here, this is what it shows me. Once I click on it, it has added it to the sales order. So we have another extra. The default quantity is 1. So this green button, we can use it to increase the quantity. So let's say the person is buying 2. I click on it, it increases it by 2. Click on it again, it increases by another 1, which is 3, 4, as the case may be. So let's say the person is reducing. To decrease the quantity, come to this one, this blue, this light blue. Click on this, click on it to decrease it. Then that's it. Then this pencil is basically to do more. Let's say I want to increase. Let's say I want to increase the quantity. Let's say the person is buying more. Let's say the person is buying like 30 or 40 or buying so many. I don't want to be using this green button to be increasing and increasing. Let's say the person is buying 10. I just type in 10 and I update here. Right, so I can update the quantity there. Right, so and also other things you could do, you could also change the unit price for that particular item depending on the type of business you do. Maybe after you've negotiated and you see that the price you have agreed on a price, you can, maybe you want to change the retail price, you can simply increase, you can simply reduce it. Let's say okay, you guys now agreed on the price 500 naira, and you update. So this pencil set can do two basic things. You can use it to change the increase or reduce the quantity, and you can also increase the unit price. Right, so then lastly, you see this box here, you can use it to sell a pack. This box here is to sell in pack. We'll be talking about pack. That's the pack price. So when somebody is buying a pack of that item, so once I click on pack, it shows me how the pack quantity, how many pack am I buying. Is 1. So the pack size is 10, meaning there are 10 sachets of this that makes up a pack. If I increase it to 2 pack, it means, if I increase the pack quantity to 2 pack, it means I'm buying 2 pack, which is equivalent to 20. So this is the unit price for pack, and this is the total amount. So once I update, you see the total quantity now is 20. Unit sales is 450 naira. That's the pack price, the unit pack price. So the total amount for that pack is 9,000 naira. So that's it. So then lastly, if you want to delete, click on this delete button to delete. So maybe if you are not selling, that person says you should remove that from the sales order. So we'll go over it again. Click here. Let's say we're adding another item. Let's say we're adding a wristwatch. Yeah, click on it. Right, so let's say we're selling another item, let's say cap. So you can add multiple items to the order, right? You can add multiple items. So selling Ghana seed. So if you are selling an item that does not have quantity, it won't go. Let's say we're selling a beer, drying petroleum. Click on it, you see it has no quantity and it doesn't have a price. Let's say we have another one. You understand? So if you're selling, let's say we are done. Let's add just one more. Let's say we have Dove. Yeah, we have a Dove here. So I click on it, right? So you're seeing it. So I can increase the quantity. Let's say it's 2. Let's reduce that. Increase this one by 1. So at the bottom here, you see the total due, 259,800, the total amount the person is supposed to pay. So at the end of the day, you have to select your payment option. The mode of payment is a cash, POS, transfer, or multiple payment. Cash means the person is giving you cash. Please, before you click on save and print, make sure you select your mode of payment. And before you select your mode of payment, make sure that mode of payment has actually gone through. If it is cash, ensure that you've collected your cash. So if it is cash, and if it is POS, select your POS. Make sure the POS has gone through. So select the mode of payment, which of the POS machine you're collecting the money from. The money is going into, rather not collecting the money from. Then if it is transfer, select which of your bank the money was transferred to us. So let's say this is transfer, it's transferred to our sending bank account, and click on save and print. So immediately you click on save and print, you just simply click at this point you are done with the transaction. Then you can click on print receipt. So once you click on print, it displays you, shows you your logo and everything, the information. Then you can print a receipt using your receipt printer. So we'll show we'll do a video where you can, there's a video where you can also know how to install your Tama receipt printer. So you click on print and print out from your printer if it is connected. You can print it as multiple times as you want. It doesn't affect that transaction. Again, if you are done with that, you can click on this pencil to continue another sales. So that's how you sell basically. So if I refresh the page, you see now on my dashboard I have a sale of 259,000. Cost of sales, daily expense, and profit based on the cost of sales. I'm seeing my profit here. So that's how you do retail sales. So I'll go straight to wholesale. The difference between the retail and the wholesale is that for wholesale you need to enter the name of the customer first. You need to enter the name of the customer. So we created the customer code ABC, or is XYZ customer? Yes, we created XYZ. So you enter the name of the customer, then you can start entering the item. So the system will register that sales against the name, customer's name. So let's say this customer is buying another. Click on it. So the price it's giving you is the wholesale price, not the retail price. It's giving you the wholesale price. That's why wholesale is different from retail. So it's the same thing. You can increase, you can reduce, you can change the quantity here and the price, right? As the case maybe, let's say this person is buying 10. Update, right? If there's pack price, you see pack price is not set for this one, so you can set that one here, right? So that's that. So if you're done, again select mode of payment. Here we have cash, POS, transfer, credit. So if I select credit, it means this person is buying this thing on credit because it's wholesale. So you can select wallet, meaning they have money in their wallet and they are paying from the wallet, money they've deposited with you before. So if it is deposit, probably they want to deposit a certain amount of money, then system would look at the other one as the remainder as their own. So let's say they are depositing 3,000. So it means once you select the mode of deposit, is it cash or any of your bank that they are using, right? Once you select this, system automatically says if you select it, if it is any of this bank, system will tell you it is transfer, right? So let's assume this person is using let's say POS here. So select the bank, let's say Money Point, save and print. So you can print your receipt, it shows you POS. If it is credit, it will tell you that the person is. So let's do one and see how it will look like for credit. So XYZ, right? Select this, go back here, put what you want to buy. Let's say the person is buying a wristwatch, click on it. You see there's no wholesale price for this item, so you cannot sell it. You have to go fix the wholesale price. Right? So let's say the person is buying cap. Click. Right? So let's say this person is buying 10 cap update and is buying this on credit. So mind you, multiple payment means the person is paying with different payment methods. Let's say it's giving you cash and transferring the rest, or giving you cash and using PS for the rest. And so once you select that, you also need to select which of the bank which bank is receiving that money, right? So let's say this now is credit. Save and print. So once you print receipt, it shows you the customer name and the mode of payment, the amount due, amount paid, and the balance, how much the person is owing for that transaction. So under the financial management, when we're looking at that, we look at how you pay debts. When customers are owing, how they pay debts. We'll look at that in the financial management. So that's how you do wholesale. You see when I refresh, total amount is increasing. So there's two other menus here. We have the reprinting, or you can reprint a receipt. So maybe you want to reprint a customer's receipt, you can reprint it as many times as you wish. Then also lastly, we have sales return. The essence of sales return is to, maybe you want to, a customer returns an item, says he's not buying that item again. So maybe due to damages, or maybe you give the customer the wrong item, you can return the sales, right? By clicking on sales return. You can search with the invoice number by entering the last 5 digits or last 4 digits of the invoice, or you can search with the name of the item and it brings up. So once you see the item under that invoice number, what you do now is click on this return link beside the item. You click on it. Let's say I'm returning this Dove perfume. I'm returning all this. I click on return MCAP that I bought on this invoice. So how many am I returning? Let's say I'm returning just one. So it's important you enter the expiration date of that item, so that it will return back to the batch where it came from. So if it's not there, you can, if you put in a different expiration date and the batch is no longer there, it will create it as a new batch. So you put in your reason for return. So for those that are not doing maybe pharmacy items, or maybe items that do not expire, you can put in any date there. So you put in your reason for return. Let's say you can say expired product to client and all that. Then you click on this button to return it. So once you return it, what happens is that the worth of that product is removed from that sales and from the sales to them, and the product is returned back to the inventory. You see now it has now become 3. MCAP tab is now 3. Right? So if I refresh, you see now my sales has reduced to 268. So showing all the items, you see MCAP now has reduced to 3. So that's it about the sales menu. No biggie. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, if there's any question or any comment, you can put it in the comments below, and we'll definitely get back to you. So thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up, and you can share this video. Don't forget to always give advice and give you tips on automation, inventory management, asset, all types of anything that involves ERP systems. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.